Hi, welcome to my channel AVK Deets. Before going into the video, I request you to like and subscribe my channel, please. I am a newly joined employee of Accenture, and we can unbox this Accenture welcome kit. And at first, here comes the logo of Accenture greater symbol logo. By opening this box, we can see bottle, which comes with good quality, and by opening this bottle we can use it for storing coffee, that is for coffee flask and water bottle too. And next is pen with Accenture logo and 2 diaries, and that's it. So thank you Accenture for the welcome kit. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe and hit bell button for more unboxing and interesting videos. Thank you once again.